Hello, happy Monday, April 22nd, 2024. Have the start of our county budget, preliminary budget hearings this week. We're going to do these Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. County of Sonoma, like many of you know, it's the kind of biggest government entity and the biggest employer in Sonoma County. We've got about 4,000 plus employees, 26 departments. So we get to talk to every department head and independent elected this week about their budget requests on their baseline budgets, or also what they're looking to achieve if there's new revenue that we can put money towards. So that's everybody from the district attorney, the sheriff, and the other law enforcement partners like public defender's office and probation, all the way over towards natural resource departments like Sonoma Water, Ag and Open Space District, the Ag Commissioner's Office, and others of that like. And then all the way over towards our health, safety, human services, safety net services. It's amazing what the county does. It's amazing how much is out there. It's also crazy to go through, really, since 2017 is 6.5 years of disasters and crises that have shaken everything up, and we've transformed a lot of government. Case in point would be our Department of Emergency Management, which is one of the top in the state at this point, if not the nation. And I say that, being somebody who's been on the FEMA National Advisory Council and who works on, this stuff real deeply is, we're always looking to do better. We're always looking to deliver, and we're always looking to get stuff done in the community. So make sure your voice is heard. Please post if there's things that you care about with budget. We're mostly doing the review this week, and then what happens is it comes back in the second week of June, and we really decide upon the budget outlays. And then as the books equalize later into the fall, then we really, take a tighter look at it. But the magic really happens in mid-June. So today is really about input, and I just want to appreciate the opportunity to continue to be a public servant. I think this is my 10th budget, 10 years in. And so, rock and roll. One of the things I just want to mention is earlier today is a lot of folks came in on the affordable housing side and really requesting that we look at policies to change our impact fees and how we charge for housing that's developed. We're trying to drive down the cost of housing in Sonoma County, something I'm a huge champion of. So let us know, and don't be quiet about it. It's there's a lot to do. Last time we posted a video, I looked around and there was a bunch of bananas in the background, and I think I said into the video, "Why are all the bananas there? Whose are those?" And they were Chris's bananas on our staff. He's sitting over here doing constituent work right now, but I see that there's still some bananas in our office. These are not going to be discussed during budget, but we thank you for your commitment to excellence, Chris,
And
Keith,
healthy food.
and everybody, and healthy food.